Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Resetting your electronic tailgate module is a necessary step after you disconnect or replace your car battery. When the power is cut, the computer often loses its position memory. This causes the liftgate to stop working or only open halfway. You do not need expensive tools to fix this issue at home. First, make sure your vehicle is in park and the engine is off. Ensure your battery terminals are tight and clean. Walk to the rear of the vehicle and manually close the tailgate all the way. You must make sure it latches completely. Next, get inside the driver's seat and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine yet. Locate the power liftgate button on your dashboard or overhead console. Press and hold this button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should hear a series of beeps from the rear of the car. These beeps indicate that the module has entered the learning mode. Once the beeping stops, release the button. Now, press the button again to open the tailgate automatically. Let it reach the full upright position without touching it. Press the button once more to let it close on its own. The system has now recalibrated its height and pressure sensors. If the tailgate still does not move, check your fuse box for a blown liftgate fuse. You may also need to repeat these steps if the battery was disconnected for a long time. This simple reset saves you a trip to the local dealership and restores full function to your modern SUV or family crossover today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.